XFJ830M26 Provenance and Authentication. What do they tell us about time? As AI makes digital content easier to reproduce, provenance and authentication become increasingly important. Provenance asks, where did it come from? Authentication asks, is it what it claims to be? Scientific evidence can go further by examining physical materials, structures, and other observable facts. These systems are essential. XFJ830 does not seek to replace them. Instead, XFJ830 asks a deeper question. If an object is authentic and its history can be traced, what can we establish about the irreversible time it has physically experienced? This creates an important distinction. Provenance, origin, and history. Authentication, identity, and authenticity. Scientific evidence, observable physical facts. Time evidence, evidence related to irreversible physical history. Verified duration. The extent to which that duration can be documented and independently examined. The research gap is therefore not. The world has no evidence systems. The world already has many. The question is whether different forms of evidence can be connected through a common research framework centered on irreversible physical time. XFJ830 proposes the following research path: provenance, authentication, scientific evidence, time evidence, verified duration. This does not mean verified duration is automatically established whenever provenance or authentication exists. They answer different questions. A verified origin does not automatically establish every aspect of physical history. An authentic object does not automatically provide a complete record of its elapsed time. A scientific test does not automatically answer every historical question. Different evidence answers different questions. XFJ830 therefore moves the discussion from is it authentic toward what does the evidence tell us about what actually happened? And then, can that history remain open to verification in the future? This distinction becomes increasingly important in the AI era. Digital representations can be recreated. Historical scenes can be reconstructed. Appearances can be simulated. But recreating a representation does not recreate the physical time already experienced by an original object. That is the research intersection proposed by XFJ830. It is not a replacement for provenance, authentication, or scientific research. It is a question about what those systems may reveal when connected to the study of irreversible time. The next question follows naturally. If different forms of evidence can support a physical history, what evidence is sufficient to establish verified duration? XFJ830 official website, www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 Provenance Authentication Time Evidence Verified Duration.